Alright, welcome back for my second part of my Black Friday box breaks. For this one I'm going to do Crown Royale and Totally Certified. Crown Royale was one of my favorite last year, so hoping I get a good box in this one. I only bought one. Probably get another one next week or so, or the week after that. So I'll definitely be picking up more of this. Hopefully I get a silhouette out of this. Another guy there had bought a couple boxes, hadn't hit a silhouette yet, so hopefully I get one. 5 cards per pack, 4 packs in a box, so let's open it up. Let's see what we get. There's also the retail version of this again. They did that last year. I don't know if I'm going to do any of those this year, though. Alright, so we got a Julian Edelman, a Fred Jackson, a Taylor Lewin refractor, numbered to 199, and 250 rewards points. As well as a gold Devontae Adams Panini's Choice Award. Lots of different things there. It's not something I was hoping to see in Crown was Panini's Choice, or Panini Rewards points. Aaron Rodgers, Trevor Riley, gold Adrian Peterson, numbered 71/99, a Brandon Marshall Master Craftsman card, and a DeAnthony Thomas Rookie Royalty jersey, numbered to 499. Arian Foster, Steven Jackson, Dion Buchanan, Kings Court for the Rams. It has Tavon Austin, Sam Bradford, and Dre Mason on it. And a triple relic of Jordan Matthews, Mike Evans, and Allen Robinson, heirs to the throne card. And that is numbered to 399, 96/399. Alright, last pack, we got Darren McFadden, Nick Foles, Silas Red refractor, numbered to 199, Panini's Choice Award for Derek Carr, and an autograph, David Fales, and that is a numbered 11/25 version. It's kind of like a holographic background there. Numbered 11/25. Alright, so that's that break. Not sure how I feel about Crown this year. These cards I'm not quite as big a fan of as the cards they had last year for the base. Don't feel like there's as much numbered stuff in there is either. The hits were the David Fails, Heirs to the Throne, Rookie Royalty, and 250 points. So let's do the Totally Certified. This is the same configuration. 4 packs. How do I open this thing? Oh, there we go. 4 packs, 5 cards per pack. Unnecessary. Crazy box. Alright. I'm not sure about the hit expectations in this one. I just know that it was on sale for pretty good. So we got a Ryan Tannehill, blue Dante Moncrief, numbered 9/50, Kadeem Carey, Cam Newton, and a jersey of Andy Dalton. Cool. Not numbered, it says it's game worn. Certified fabrics. Next we have Trent Richardson. I think I see more rewards points. Aaron Rodgers, Zach Mettenberger, 150 rewards points. And Steve Smith Sr. Matt Schaub, Marcus Colston, Tyler Gaffney, Matt Forte, and rookie penmanship Andre Williams for the Giants. A little bit of dings on the top there. That is numbered 8/25. So nice and low numbered, but the condition's a little iffy on the card. And the last pack. Tony Romo, red Peyton Manning, numbered 87/100. Roddy White, Chris Borland, and Trey Mason, totally certified rookie roll call. Jersey piece non-numbered. So that was alright. Kind of disappointed about getting another points card. So I already have 300 points. So if I add these in, that'll be 700 points that I'll have. So that's kind of disappointing, but other than that, it's basically the totally certified is kind of similar to Prime, with just less cards in it, and looks a little better. So for the price I paid, it's about equal to a prime right now. Probably cheaper actually. Crown I'm kind of disappointed with, so I don't know what I'm going to do about Crown. Might give it another box, try to get a silhouette, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. What do you guys think? Did you like the boxes? Or were you disappointed like I was? You think I should do another Crown box? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you thought of the breaks. Check out my other breaks so you can compare them, see how they went. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thanks for watching this video. If you're still watching at this point, you're a trooper. Awesome. And stay tuned for more videos from me. Thanks.